Hi, welcome to my channel Too Irrational and I'm Pranesh Sharma. In this video, we'll talk about how we are going to write questions of generating function as well as point estimation in Word for our examination CS1 paper A. First, let's take an example of generating function. Here we have a random variable x with probability density function. We have two functions here and we have to show that the moment generating function of x is given by this. Now because we had two functions, we had to write two different integration for two different limits. So you can see when I write it without equation editor, I will first write integration, two different functions, then simplify the function here and here. Now you can definitely copy paste and then simplify it, it becomes easier. Then here I have solved the integration here and here and put the limits, substitute the limits here and finally write our value. So as you can see, it becomes a little bit difficult for us to read and find any mistakes we might have made here. Similarly, for the second part where we had to find mean and variance, have calculated the cumulant generating function, differentiated it once and twice, and then calculated the expected value and variances. Now here also writing this second equation was a little bit difficult to read later on. Maybe not difficult to write, but it was difficult to read. Whereas when we solve it using equation editor, it took almost the same time, almost the same number of letters we have to write, but it is visually easier to follow. So same sets of equations. First we write our equation, then you can just copy paste here and then just make the changes for our second equation, then solve integration, finally substitute and write our answer. Then for cumulant generating function, see here it was easier to make this equation and it's easier to follow visually what we are doing here. Okay, so I would suggest for moment generating function, cumulant generating function, or especially when we have integration, I would suggest use equation editor. Now let's see a question for MLE, point estimation. So here we have a random variable follows an exponential distribution with probability density function given to us. We have to first show that our capital F is going to be this much. Okay, for a random variable y is equals to x raised to minus 3, x raised to, sorry, 1 by 3. And hence or otherwise find the probability density function of y. Okay, so for that part, again you can see parallel I have solved them without using equation editor and with using equation editor. So first of all, I have specified lambda is equals to L, and while writing here also what I did was I wrote our lambda first, copied, Control C, and then whenever I needed lambda I've always pasted, because throughout the question we'll be using lambda a lot. Then you can see whenever we need a product, okay, we write product and then specify our limits from I is equals to 1 to n, and then we write our function. Okay, again we wanted product here, I have written this and then solved it in terms of summation here. But for equation editor it becomes very easy to follow our product and summation, and it takes almost the same number of or same time to actually write it. For product we'll use backslash prod, and if I press space you can see I get a pi. If I want to write the limits, for lower limit I'll say underscore, and I want I is equals to 1, so I'll say bracket I is equals to 1 bracket close, and then raised to I will have n, and I press enter, you can see I get a bigger pi. Later on here I wanted just the small pi, just so that you can, again for that all you have to do is write backslash prod and press space, you get a smaller pi. If you press space again you get a bigger pi without the limits. You can write that also, that works too. For summation it's again straightforward, we'll say backslash sum and then again put the limits underscore, I will say I going equal to 1 raised to n, and we get our summation. So it becomes very easy, and we basically write almost the same things here as well. Rather, I feel we write less here. So it becomes easier whenever you're using pi product, or you're using sum, to use equation editor, at least for that much part. And of course, using lambda, using e raised to a little bit complex function, it becomes easier for us to write. You can see here for any accent lambda hat, all you have to do is write backslash lambda and then backslash hat, and if I press space 2 times, I get lambda hat. Okay, so this is how we write our lambda hat. If you are not writing using equation editor, you can just write lambda and then hat, or L hat. Okay, that works too. Writing differentiation is much easier with using equation editor than not using equation editor. Okay, especially the double differentiation, and writing these values or actually differentiating is much easier using equation editor. So I would suggest that you should use equation editor if you have a sum of MLE, especially for writing product values, summation values, and finally even hat values, differentiation values. It becomes easier for us to write these equations, especially when we have fractions or when we have sum or product. In the next video, we'll see how we will be writing hypothesis testing, confidence interval, and linear regression sums in our Word. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And please check out other videos on my channel. See you in the next one.